Make a chain of the preferred length. Skip the first 5 chains from the hook. Yarn over the hook and then insert the hook in the 6th chain from the hook. Pull the yarn back through the loop. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn back through the loop for the 2nd time. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn back through the loop for the 3rd time. You should now see 7 loops of yarn on your hook. Catch the yarn and pull it back through all 7 loops. Repeat the process. Chain 2 stitches among puffs.